Hi, Andrea here again. Lots to report on from Copenhagen. So our second day in Copenhagen, we spent much of our time at the uh, Climate Justice Network's People's Assembly. Amazing people from all over the world reporting about climate justice. There was poets, there was community activists talking about the effects of climate change on their communities, as well as the false solutions being promoted, such as the clean development mechanism and the impacts of offset programs in their community. Uh, Anil Nandu, who's the Blue Planet Project coordinator, and Maud Barlow also went up and spoke at the People's Assembly. Maud had three major points. One of them was to say we're here to challenge the Harper record coming into the climate talks and just how embarrassed as Canadians we were of the terrible climate action position we're taking. Two, to be in solidarity with the climate justice movement and recognizing that there's a need for a responsibility on behalf of countries who have contributed to the climate crisis to help pay for the climate financing for the global south to make the transition to a low-carbon future, as well as recognizing the false solutions being promoted, such as carbon capture and storage and offsets. Thirdly, Maud talked about the relation between water justice and climate justice, water being one of the first faces of the climate impacts in terms of rising sea levels, as well as the impact of drought on access to water for people and for food production. Also, lesser known is the misuse of water and how that contributes to further desertification, which contributes to global warming. These were the points that the Council of Canadians raised at the People's Assembly, which was on behalf of the Climate Justice Network at the Climate Forum. A very powerful moment.